It's 11 o'clock. I'm about to start my hair. I have work tomorrow because I have to cover up the fact that I'm leaving early. So I am planning on sleeping at 2 o'clock. So I'm going to try to do as much as I can today at 2. I'm going to try and do as much as I can today at 11 up until 2 a.m. And then tomorrow I'll get off from work, do some more of my hair, go to the gym, come back, do some more of my hair, and then on Sunday is my last day to do my hair because this is me convincing myself by Monday. Wish me luck. I'm doing passion twists. I'm not doing too many, and maybe because of the time, also because it's pretty hard, man, and they become so heavy. But I know I can do this because I can do whatever I put myself up to. I think. Wish me luck. I'm trying to do so many things, but I'm only one person. Dear God. Wish me luck. Pray for me. Okay? Bye. Goodness, hi guys. I'm dinner. Good afternoon, guys. The day is the 25th of March and I'm in Sri Lanka.
Pull up in a monster automobile gangster with a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka.
And this is my hair. Let me show you my hair. Wait, I need lighting so I can show you my beautiful scrumped yum gorgeous hair. I did passion twists again, and they're brown with like a little touch of brown at the bottom. They're dark and then they go ombre light towards the bottom part. But let me explain. So I was supposed to give you guys an update on my hair, on the little, nooks and crannies about traveling here or coming here, but I couldn't. I was so busy with work, I was so busy with my hair, and I just couldn't. I tried, but I couldn't. So this is what I was supposed to do initially. I was supposed to get here, rest in Negombo, and then today I was supposed to go to Sigiriya for something that I really wanted to do. However, the problem is that yesterday, after we landed, our plane had to like wait a little before it went to the parking area because there was lightning, and the lightning kind of hit something with parking here. So we couldn't go, so we had to wait, and then there was so much traffic at the airport, and there was just so much going on that when I came, and then I got lost, and then we got lost, me and my driver, we got lost. So by the time I came to the guest house I am living in, it was so late and I didn't have the energy this morning. I haven't been sleeping because I've been waking up pretty early for work. I've been sleeping pretty late because of my hair, and it all just hit me in the morning. It all just hit me so bad, and I couldn't move a single inch, and I couldn't go explore. And when I checked my Google Maps, Sigiriya is like 2.5 hours away from here, and then tomorrow after Sigiriya I was going to go down to Kandy, which is another 2 hours. Personally, I know that I'm here to travel, but I'm also here to rest. I'm also here for a vacation. I can't spend most of my days on the road, okay? So I decided, you know what, I'm going to scratch Sigiriya out. I'm just going to go to Kandy tomorrow, and then go Negombo, Kandy, and all the other places But am I really sad that I'm missing cigarette? No, I'm not. There's so many other things that I can do. I mean, I would have loved to see The Rock, but Lily, you guys. So now we're about to head to the city to get a SIM card and to exchange some money and to grab our first meal of the day because I have been sleeping. And guess what? Let me show you something. My suitcase. I didn't overpack this time. I didn't overpack. I only brought this lovely little lady over here and my laptop bag. And I was so worried when I got to the airport because the last time I left the country was when I went, apart from going home, was when I went to Bali, and my luggage had exceeded its limit. I think it's that big bag, to be honest with you. My luggage had exceeded its limit and I had to like take some things and put them in my laptop bag, and I was so worried that that would happen, so I used a smaller bag. But you know, small bags don't let me carry more things, which is good because I guess it restricted me and my overpacking problem that I have. So my suitcase weighed only 18 kgs, so I have 12 more kgs. 12. I don't know, that's tempting. So let's head to the city and let's see what we find. Honestly, I don't really have any distinct plans. So when I'm done eating, okay? Today, it's all about resting. I'll be a traveler tomorrow. Okay, by the way, and before I forget, if you're wondering what this place looks like, you have to go to my TikTok, unfortunately. Okay, bye. Update, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna TikTok. Anxiety. Okay, but I haven't had anything to eat. I'm at the St. Mary's Church just to see it because this is one of the places I did want to see. Oh my goodness, auto focus. Damn. By the way, I haven't been there in a long time. I'm excited to be here because I mean, I grew up in a church. I was raised in a Christian family, a Christian home, so I'm glad that, and I've been living in a Muslim country, a country that's 100% Muslim, so I'm glad that I can come to a place like this today and just have that nostalgic feeling. I'm about to enter and I'm going to show you how it looks inside. Obviously I can't speak when I'm inside, but yeah, for me, this is it. This is what you're going to see. Welcome to St. Mary's Church. I don't think I'm here for the niggas. I think the niggas are here for me, and I'm scared, mama. I'm scared. But I'm at this restaurant that one of my TikTok drivers recommended. I was gonna walk here, but it started raining, so I didn't walk. It's called Amra Leaf. This place is so flipping cute. Look at how cute this place is. I'm actually sitting in the private area. I was going to sit outside, and my waiter said no, come this way, and they took me to the private section, so that's what I'm doing right now. Hi. So I'm having the biryani, the mutton biryani, and then this is some, I'm assuming, I don't know, but this is like fried onion. This is like a yogurt sauce. And then I got complimentary dates because it is Ramadan and people are going to break fast for iftar very soon. I had a good conversation with the, I don't know if he's my waiter or manager, but I think he's one of the managers or supervisors, and he was just telling me about just a little things, asking me questions. I'm a big liar, guys. You know, I said my boyfriend is from Sri Lanka, he's Sri Lankan, and I'm meeting his family. I am here alone, but he's not here, and in Colombo I'm going to stay with his mom and his dad. You know, that's not true. But now he's offered to give me porridge and short eats. And then I said, I'm not sure. He said, no, you relax. We're gonna see if I like the short eats or not. Not the short eats. I wanted the short eats, the biryani or not. It's a bit sour. What is this one?
bun.
Okay.
Kind of bun. Why?
No, I eat it. I eat it.
Chicken, beef, fish.
Everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you. Mmm. Mmm. It's like a fish cake. And then just bun.
Bun, yeah. Calling mini pizza or something like that.
I like this one.
Okay. Do you need
A lot.
Do you need more?
One more.
So, you know what? Once you need, ask me.
Thank you so
No
much.
worries.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. The hospitality is out of this world. Okay. Bone. Okay, this is how much is still in here. So these are the lot.
So porridge.
Is this the porridge?
Yeah.
Okay. What's inside?
Chicken.
Just chicken and soup?
Yeah.
Or just chicken?
Yes.
I like it.
Okay.
I like it. I like it a lot.
If you need something, call me.
Cool.
Okay.
Like biryani. I don't know, like so tuta apa. I'm gonna be so full. Wait, I was supposed to taste the biryani for you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Can I put them on this one as well?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just put this one under
Okay,
here.
sure.
Thank you so much. You're so kind.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you. I got 2 more fish buns. I love this place. I love this place so much. What? Good morning, kitty titties. Didn't chill yesterday because I got home pretty late. It started raining. I had to look for a cosmetic shop. There was so much going on. So I got home pretty late, but the tuk-tuk driver I had before I went to the restaurant gave me a ride back. Had a very chilled conversation, very chilled guy. But today I'm going to Candy. I guess Negombo probably has more to offer, and maybe I haven't seen all of it. So now I'm about to get ready and go to Candy. I think I'm gonna take the bus there. Bus is $1 and 16, $1.68. So it's like $1.70, and a personal cab is like $27 US. So like $1 compared to $27 US. I think I might just go for the bus. I'm doing the bus. So I'm just gonna wake up, get ready, and then we're gonna go. I've got plans for the sunset and I have plans tomorrow morning, so I have to wake up tomorrow. But yeah, I'm excited. See you soon. Bye. I just need to stop sleeping all the time. It's so quiet here compared to Mali. So I sleep like a baby. The only thing that makes a noise is my alarm. I don't want to leave, but I have to. So let me get ready.